destination for all things related to personal finance. In today's video, we'll be delving into a crucial aspect of financial planning, saving for retirement, a beginner's guide. So whether you're just starting your career or looking to enhance your retirement saving strategy, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Understanding the importance of retirement planning. Retirement might seem distant, but it's never too early to start planning for it. We'll explore why saving for retirement is essential and how it sets the foundation for a secure and fulfilling future. From the power of compound interest to the benefits of early planning, we've got you covered. Snap the dot, we understand the importance. Let's explore the practical side. We'll walk you through various retirement account options such as 401(k) IRAs and Roth IRAs. Each has its unique features and benefits, and we'll help you navigate the differences to make an informed decision based on your financial goals. Setting realistic retirement goals. It's time to set some goals. We'll guide you through the process of defining realistic retirement goals based on your lifestyle, expected expenses, and desired standard of living. Understanding your goals is a crucial step towards creating an effective retirement savings plan. Creating a budget for retirement savings. Budgeting is the backbone of any successful financial plan. We'll discuss how to allocate a portion of your income towards retirement savings without compromising your current lifestyle. Learn the art of balancing expenses, emergency funds, and retirement contributions to achieve financial harmony. Pioneering your retirement journey. Imagine the canvas of your future, painted with the hues of financial security. Segment peels back the layers of retirement planning, illuminating why the journey begins now and how each stroke of financial prudence contributes to a masterpiece later in life. Sculpting your retirement aspirations. Retirement isn't just a phase. It's a sculpted vision of the life you desire. This segment molds the clay of your retirement aspirations, helping you articulate tangible goals. From dream vacations to fulfilling hobbies, we'll guide you in giving shape to a retirement that's uniquely yours. Budgeting is the choreography of financial success. We'll engage in a ballad of budgeting, showcasing the art of gracefully allocating funds to your retirement aspirations while still savoring the dance of your present-day financial life. It's a delicate pas-de-deux deux between financial discipline and joyful living. Orchestrating retirement gains, let's compose a symphony of financial growth. Dive into the musical notes of investments, from the serene melodies of bonds to the thrilling crescendos of stocks. Learn the art of orchestrating a diversified portfolio that harmonizes with your risk appetite, creating a cacophony of wealth for your retirement years. Segment 6, the ever-evolving score, monitoring your retirement sonata. Your financial journey is a sonata, and retirement planning is the ever-evolving score. We'll explore the importance of regularly tuning in, making key adjustments, and conducting your financial orchestra with finesse. Flexibility is the key to maintaining the rhythm of financial success. Legacy building beyond retirement. As we conclude our exploration, we'll peek beyond the horizon of retirement into the realm of legacy building. Discover how your financial wisdom can extend its reach, leaving a lasting impact for generations to come. Investment strategies for retirement. Diving into the world of investments, we'll explore strategies to make your retirement savings grow. From low-risk options like bonds to higher risk, higher reward options like stocks will help you build a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and time horizon. The retirement landscape unveiled. Picture this: golden sunsets, leisurely days, and a life well lived. But achieving that dream retirement requires strategic planning. In this segment, we'll unravel the layers of retirement planning, emphasizing why starting early is your secret weapon and how it shapes the narrative of your financial future. Decoding retirement accounts. Now let's demystify the alphabet soup of retirement accounts. 401(k) IRAs, and Roth IRAs. We'll navigate through the features, tax implications, and individual perks of each, empowering you to make an informed decision tailored to your unique financial landscape. Crafting your retirement vision. Your retirement journey is a personal odyssey. In this segment, we'll guide you through the process of envisioning your retirement lifestyle. From travel aspirations to hobbies, we'll help you set realistic and meaningful goals that will serve as the North Star for your financial planning. Budgeting mastery for retirement success. Budgeting isn't a restraint. It's your financial compass. We'll delve into the art of budgeting, showcasing how to allocate funds for retirement without compromising your present-day joys. Discover the delicate dance between current expenditures, emergency funds, and the necessary contributions to your retirement nest egg. Investment alchemy. Growing your retirement fund. Time to don your financial wizard hat. We'll explore the magical world of investments, from the enchanting safety of bonds to the exhilarating dance with stocks. Unearth the secrets of building a robust, diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk appetite and propels your retirement savings to new heights. It's the symphony of progress. Monitoring your retirement plan. Your financial symphony is in constant flux, and your retirement plan is the conductor. We'll discuss the importance of regularly tuning into your financial orchestra, making harmonious adjustments, and embracing the fluidity of life's financial composition. Monitoring and adjusting your retirement plan. Your financial journey is dynamic, and so should be your retirement plan. We'll discuss the importance of regularly monitoring your progress, making adjustments as needed, and staying flexible in the face of life's unexpected twists and turns. As we wrap up this comprehensive guide to saving for retirement, remember that taking the first step is the key to a secure financial future. Whether you're just beginning your career or reassessing your retirement strategy, the principles we've covered today will serve as a solid foundation. Thank you for joining us on Rose Finance. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things finance. Until next time, happy saving and secure your tomorrow starting today.